Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes and myself Padma. Today I will be showing the video of how to prepare Tera Panna Undi. This is a Konkani dish. This Tera Panna Undi is a Konkani dish next to Patravada. Konkanis usually prepare the dish from taro or arvi leaves. You can prepare it even from normal colocasia leaves grown in your garden. But arvi leaves are more tastier than the colocasia leaves. To remove the itching of the leaves, either star fruit or bilimbi or tamarind is used. We have Tera Panna Undi along with coconut oil or ghee. Other dishes like Tera Panna Undi Bajili or Tera Panna Undi Ukkari are also prepared by us from the leftover undi. All these dishes have different taste and flavor. In this video, I will be showing Tera Panna Undi. For this you need one bunch taro or arvi leaves, that is terrapan, or even colocasia leaves. For the batter preparation you need 1 cup raw rice, 1/4 cup parboiled rice. Addition of parboiled rice is purely optional. You need, because most of the recipes won't be adding parboiled rice. I have added this to my recipe because to make the undi soft. You can even add pova or rice flakes also. Then 4 to 5 tablespoons of grated coconut, 3 number of big size star fruit, or you can use bilimbi also, or tamarind of 1 gooseberry size, 6 to 7 red chilies or chili powder as per your spiciness level, half teaspoon asafoetida, 1 small spoon turmeric powder, and water as required, and salt to taste. First, remove the veins of the terrapan, wash it and keep it aside. Next, cut the terrapan into small pieces as has been shown. Next, to prepare the batter, you have to add the washed soaked rice into the mixer grinder. You can soak the rice for 3 to 4 hours. Then add turmeric powder, asafoetida, salt and red chili powder or even red chilies, whichever one you are using. Add grated coconut and star fruit also. Once you have added all the ingredients to the mixer grinder, grind to a coarse paste. Add only little water for grinding. Do not make it runny batter. The batter for the preparation of undi should be thick and only slightly watery consistency. You should be able to make soft balls out of this undi batter. Then add the cut leaves into the batter and mix well. After it has been uniformly mixed, add little more water to make it to the desired consistency. That is, it should be slightly watery or else your undis will not cook inside and it will be very hard also. Now keep an idli steamer on the stove and place banana leaves on top of it. Now make, or else you can even use a wide mouth container that fits inside your steamer. I have kept the banana leaves so that they add to the flavor of the dish. Make small balls of the batter and place it on the banana leaves. Once the steamer has been filled with sufficient undis, cover them with another banana leaf. Now close the lid of the steamer and steam cook them for 45 minutes to 1 hour. After the specified time, poke a toothpick or a sharp end of a knife to see if they are cooked. If the toothpicks comes out clean, then your undis are cooked. If not, keep for another 10 or 15 minutes. Your undi or Tera Panna undi is ready to be served. You can serve it with coconut oil or ghee. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.